I want to be 100% truthfully critical. No favoritism, no bias, none of that stuff. So, you're probably wondering, did these actually really make me switch over from these? We got the AirPods right here. Strong AirPod user. I was an AirPod user before the Galaxy Buds, and now am I a Galaxy Buds user after the Galaxy Buds. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative, and basically I want to talk about the Galaxy Buds, the Samsung Galaxy Buds, which is the perfect combination with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So I want you to know, I'm not going to sugarcoat, I won't be biased in this review of these headphones. I'm going to tell you exactly what my user experience has been with these. To be quite frank, number one, the Galaxy Buds are great. The Galaxy Buds are awesome. The Galaxy Buds work. As far as with the pairing system with the S10 Plus, let me see. Look at that, boom. As soon as the S10 Plus is open, look at that, connect. Oh, you got the little status bar. Bada bing, bada boom, connected. Battery read-offs, everything. These work. With a Samsung device, they work, and even without a Samsung device. I even paired them with my iPhone XS Max. So for those of you out there who have iPhones and are you curious if you can use the Galaxy Buds with your iPhone, yes you can. I have paired them and used them with my XS Max, and I've even paired them and used them with my MacBook Air. That's right. I threw the Galaxy Buds into the Apple ecosystem. So Galaxy Buds. I know, let me get this off the table for some of y'all Samsung Knights try to come for your boy, you know what I'm saying? Galaxy Buds, great audio option for the Samsung ecosystem hookup. If you got an S10, S10 Plus, S9, Note 9, whatever, you got Galaxy Buds. These are at a great price in comparison to the Icon X. And you know what I mean? It doesn't give you everything the Icon X's give you, but it gives you the basis of what you need. These are great, these are solid. Decent battery life. The battery works great. You got the case there to back you up. Anytime you have these type of truly wireless earbuds, I mean, the case is the A1 companion. Anytime you got them running low, throw them in the case, close them, charge them, open it up, put them back in use. Let's talk about the fit. The fit of these Galaxy Buds in comparison to the AirPods is a lot better, for sure. Like, I mean, so much more secure. Noise reduction. There is so much more there for you as far as the fit in comparison to the AirPods. The fit is so good. Boom. And the comfort is there. When I'm listening at hours. I'm talking about 2 to 3, 4, maybe even 5 hours sometimes at a time. Wireless charging available with the Galaxy Buds. And if you have to, you can go there with it. Connection to a Galaxy device, fast, quick, smooth. You get to see your status, you got your battery popping up. These things communicate with your device very well. Now, since I've had the Galaxy Buds, I've at least seen 3 updates. And that's what I want to talk about. The 3 updates have been in the Bluetooth section. Now, I'm very proud of Samsung for being very proactive and sending out these updates, trying to get these to be that A1 status that they have the potential to be. They're not A1 yet. They got all of the potential and the features needed to be A1, but they're not quite A1. I'm gonna tell you why. It's the Bluetooth connectivity. For the majority of the use, they're fine. They work perfectly fine. Generally with the S10, I'm getting pretty good Bluetooth connectivity. What happens every once in a while? There is a slight hiccup. It's slight. It's like literally like as if they fall out of sync for like a hot second, like as if, and I get kind of like an echo sound. It's like a like type of thing. It'll be like, say if I'm listening to someone, they're talking and they say a word, that one word might go out of sync between the two, and you kind of get like an echo, like a delay. Now, especially when I had the Galaxy Buds paired with the MacBook Air. Now, chill out, Android lovers and Samsung. Oh, put it with a MacBook Air. Think about it. This is user experience. This is my user experience. Not only am I going to use it with the S10 Plus, but people may have a laptop out there that they're going to pair it with, whatever. Bluetooth headphones are universal. They're not just for use with your Android device or Android items. There's other items that you might want to use this with. I might even want to hook it up to the iMac Pro with all of my devices. So with the MacBook Air is where I started to really get that dropout inconsistency, and even with the connectivity, I was having some issues. They weren't talking too well, and that could be by design and on purpose, or that could just be a little mishap. I had one instance on the telephone call where the person told me they couldn't really hear me too well. And I just, all right, I know. You're gonna think I'm bashing them, I'm trying to kill them. No, I'm just trying to be brutally honest about my user experience. Ambient sound feature on here is actually really cool as well. I played with it where I had turned it on, turned it up to a certain volume, and you literally can hear your ambience around you quite well. It actually works. It's a little different, but once you get used to it, it's actually working quite well. Now, if you're in an environment where you need to hear what's going on around you, you have the option to put the ambient sound, because once you put those in-ears with those rubber tips and you plug it in there, you're getting that noise cancellation. So, which is a good thing for sound and audio and focus and listening to what you're listening to. But if you need to be in a situation where you need to hear what's going on, I don't know, maybe you at an instruction for yoga, you know what I mean? Gotta hear the change position, I don't know, whatever you're doing. You have that option, and I think it's great that Samsung gave you that option as well. The touch features, you know, it's the tap, double tap, and a triple tap or a long hold and so forth. Those all work great. These are A, but they're not A1. And what will make them A1 is for a very well stable Bluetooth connection. And make them consistent, you got A1 AirPods alternative. I can say this, even with me having that one gripe about the Bluetooth connectivity, I still have faith in these, and I can still recommend you get them. These are great, especially if you have issues with like other competitors in the fit. If the price point fits your budget, I say go for it. And it could just be my pair, my set, but I mean, they've done 3 updates and they all set Bluetooth, which rings to me that Samsung's listening. They're hearing some other people point it out, and they're trying to do their best to fix it. And that's what I love about Samsung. They keep their ear to the streets. So I'm gonna give them a little something else for their ear for them to improve this product, because I want this to be an A1 solution. And literally they're A, but they ain't got the 1 yet. They've been a great addition to my Samsung little ecosystem I got running right here. Yes, the watch is matching the fit, you know what I'm saying? Get the faces, learn how to customize your smartwatch. Look at this video right here, it'll work the same, you know what I'm saying? Killer ecosystem right here, and it's at a great price. Literally all 3 of these is at the price of what I paid for just this. So I just need that update to get the Bluetooth 100% stable, and I'm all aboard. I'm all in. But until then, I still got them. I'm still holding on to them. I will still continue to use them. If there's no resolution to that issue, then I can't. Yeah. Got my Galaxy Buds, you know what I'm saying? Put these joints in. Galaxy Buds on deck. Boom, boom. Yeah. Oh, this is the motivational. I got my motivational on. Let me put a little music on. I gotta serenade y'all real quick. You already know what's about to get played. If you ain't seen my other videos, you sleep. It's dark outside. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. Something new. So, audio is great on these bad boys. The fit is awesome. The experience is 95% there. Or should I say 98%, like 95%, 98% there. These are literally almost the A1 super AirPod alternative, in the sense of something that works seamlessly with your smartphone, with your other devices, has, you know, you got the little, you know what they're trying to do with these. Anyways, these are a great choice. They have a great value to them, but price points aren't really that far off between the two. Yes, if you want the wireless charging version of these, the price point changes, unless you got the old ones, but even once you total it, yeah. Far more expensive, a better value cost-wise. But is the quality of these really gonna make me ditch these or the AirPods 2, which is coming? Yeah, been rocking with them, been loving them, been using them, They have been the daily driver along with the use of this Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which has been my main driver. SIM card in, locked in. It's been a couple of weeks now, and I've been grinding since I've received this with this combo right here. Oh yeah, with the Galaxy Watch Fit as well, you know what I'm saying? Put that, yeah, the watch face is matching the fit. It works that way, yeah. So, it's been great, 95% of the time. Now, is it the top of the line, you know, top of the move, you know what I mean? Sounding like some, you know, plug-in studio, you know, joints? No. But for Bluetooth audio, the sound is there.